For a vegetarian, what do you recommend for protein and energy? So some really great vegetarian protein sources that also pack great and are easy to bring to rehearsal are things like hard-boiled eggs. I love to just hard-boil a whole bunch of eggs and have them ready to go in the fridge so I can just bring one along with me in a little refrigerated package. Same thing with legumes. Any kind of beans, they're all like packed with lots of protein as well as lots of really great fiber and carbohydrates that'll help keep you going energy-wise. So dairy products are great, especially Greek yogurt, which has a higher protein content in it. Definitely try and aim for unflavored yogurts and then sweeten them with fruits. Another good high-protein dairy option is kefir, which is a fermented milk beverage. It's really great to add into smoothies, or you can use it as part of your salad dressing. And nuts. Nuts are a really great source of protein. They're very nutrient dense and calorie dense, so they'll also have a lot of fat in them, but that's fine. You need to have fat in your diet. So nuts are great in both their whole form, so you can throw them on top of salads, on top of pilafs, pack them into a trail mix as a snack, or also in the nut butter form. So those are all great options. And so when you're eating nuts, aim to eat the nuts with their skin on because it has a whole bunch of fiber in there. So the next question is, I am vegan and I want to know if you have any great ideas for plant-based dinners or recipes. So due to my food allergies, I actually can rarely ever eat vegan cuisine, so I don't have much personal experience with it. But I think one of the great frameworks, again, that you can go back to are some of these whole grain pilafs with all the veggies and protein sources, and really looking at protein sources like beans are really great for vegans. And something else that's important in vegan cuisine is making sure that you're eating complementary proteins. And so what I mean by that is that vegetarian protein source, plant protein sources, they don't contain all of the essential amino acids that you need. Amino acids are the building blocks that you use to make proteins. So beans, for example, are a great protein source, but they don't have all the essential amino acids. Same thing with some other things like rice or corn. They have some protein in them, but they don't have all the essential amino acids. But if you combine them together, if you eat, say, rice and beans together or corn and beans together, then they do have all the essential amino acids that you need. So that can be one thing that you think about when you're putting together some vegan meals. Some Instagram and recipe bloggers who I think looks like they make some really great plant-based recipes are people like Oshi Glows and Deliciously Ella. And then Kale Me Maybe also has a fair number of vegan recipes. So those could be some good people to check out. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.